everyone, I am Swarnali. Today I will let you know some more information about one of the top colleges in Northeast, that is Mariam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology, Hojai. Ajmal family dreams of a state where education is accessible to all, irrespective of caste, creed and religion, and most importantly to the students in rural Northeast India at an affordable cost, cutting across the barriers of expensive education in the metropolis and other cities of the country.
This is indeed the vision of Ajmal family, leading to the establishment of 23 colleges in various parts of the state under the leadership of M. Badruddin Ajmal and Mr. Sirajuddin Ajmal. Today, Ajmal family and the foundation is happy to see their dreams transforming into reality with the achievements of the colleges. Mariam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology has been established for the girl students intending to pursue higher education in science. It symbolizes the unwavering commitment of the Ajmals towards social reconstruction through modern science education of a superior quality on the one hand, while on the other their deep love and gratitude to their beloved mother, late Mariam Unnisa Ajmal, whose memory they wish to perpetuate by empowering women to be equal participants in the rapidly changing scientific and technological scenarios sweeping across the world. The college, with architecturally well-designed and spacious academic and hostel buildings with state-of-the-art laboratories and other facilities, is located at a quiet and peaceful neighborhood, away from the hustle and bustle of city and town life. With its well-qualified faculty members and quality education in a highly secured campus, the college has attracted students from almost all the districts of Assam and other northeastern states of India. Established in a very humble way by admitting only 20 students in the year 2006, the college has grown in leaps and bounds in academics as well as in infrastructure, and at present it has strength of more than 400 girls from different districts of Assam and neighboring states. Around 350 students passing out from this institution are highly studying in different professional, technical and general courses in various national institutes of repute. The institution has been upgraded to degree college, having major courses in science and arts stream with affiliation from Dibrugarh University.
We have 4 colleges exclusively for girls and 7 colleges having girls sections. It is having major subjects in chemistry, physics, zoology, mathematics, education, political science, English, Assamese and so on.